Hello, Math 142. We are going to do 4 problems regarding write the product as sum. The first one, sine of 2x cosine of 3x, is the form of sine of alpha cosine of beta. So let me, or better than that, let's stay consistent with your textbook and say u and v, just like your textbook. So let's say that this is u and this is v. All right. Sine of u, cosine of v, sine of u, cosine of v. First, I'm going to write the formula. Equals 1/2 sine of u plus v plus sine of u minus v. So following my formula, equals 1/2 sine of v, so that's sine of 2x plus 3x plus sine of 2x minus 3x. And that equals, continuing this, 1/2 sine of 5x plus sine of minus x. We have one more step left for this. We're going to have to remember that sine is an odd function. Sine of minus x is the same as minus sine of x. So my final answer is going to be equal 1/2 sine of 5x, and I should have a parenthesis right here, minus sine of x. Okay. That's it for the first one. The second problem that I would like to do is of the form sine of u times sine of v. So let's go to the next page. These problems are coming from your textbook anyways. Sine of x times sine of 5x. So as you can see, this is the form of sine of u times sine of v. What's the formula? Sine of u times sine of v, the formula is 1/2 cosine of u minus v. The proofs are in your textbook, and you don't need to memorize the proofs. Minus cosine of u plus v. Following this formula, my original problem equals 1/2 cosine of the first one. So cosine of x minus second one, 5x, minus cosine of first one plus second one. So u plus v, so that gives me x plus 5x. And all I have to do is now to simplify this. Equals 1/2 cosine of minus 4x minus cosine of 6x. And one baby step here is to remember that cosine is an even function. Cosine of minus 4x is the same as cosine of 4x. So I get cosine of 4x minus cosine of 6x. Let's do one more. Go to the next page. So this time, let's do cosine of x sine of 4x. So the form is cosine of u So let me put parentheses here to make it a little bit more clear. So cosine of u, sine of v. And what's the formula? If you have the product of cosine of u, sine of v, that is 1/2 bracket sine of u plus v, u plus v minus sine of u minus v. Now following this formula, then cosine of x sine of 4x equals 1/2 sine of x plus 4x minus sine of x minus 4x. And let's simplify this, equals 1/2 sine of 5x minus sine of minus 3x. And remember that sine is an odd function. Sine of minus 3x is the same as minus sine of 3x. So in fact, I can show this as 1/2 sine of 5x minus sine of 3x, because sine is an odd function. And finally equals 1/2 sine of 5x plus sine of 3x. Okay. Let's do one last one of the last form. We have cosine of 5x cosine of 3x. And this is of the form cosine of v times cosine of u. And the formula for that, cosine of, let me exchange my u and v to be consistent. Cosine of u, cosine of v. Now, not that it matters, but let's say it stay consistent. Cosine of u times v, cosine of u times cosine of v equals 1/2 cosine of u plus v plus cosine of u minus v. That's the formula. So my original problem equals 1/2 cosine of 5x plus 3x plus cosine of 5x minus 3x. Okay, let's simplify this. Equals 1/2 cosine of 8x plus cosine of 2x. And let's see, that is it. Well, I hope you find these examples helpful. Thanks.